I'm in the closet. Keep it in the closet.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph here, and today we are on board Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Seas, and I'm going to show you the Junior Suite. Alright, so this is the view from when you first walk in. As you can see, you have your, what is this, king size bed? Looks like a king size bed. And it can also be split into two separate beds in case you don't want to be all next to your boo. There's all kinds of welcome aboard information as soon as you come, telling you all about their beverage packages, what's poppin', you know what I'm saying? This room is beautiful. I love the warm lighting. So you've got this nice seating area over here, and then you've got, I like the double vanity, you know what I'm saying? Like I can, oh hi guys. Hey, forgot about that mirror. But like if you want to like eat right here and then turn the TV while you eat, and then you can do your makeup right here. And again, this is the Junior Suite. And so on here on the table they have your cruise compass, which this lets you know all the activities and what's popping on the ship. You know what I'm saying? We've got a letter, so this is just reiterating the passengers about the mask mandate. They've got 2 masks for you and hand sanitizer, you know what I'm saying? And then this is what I'm excited about, because they have the lineup of the entertainer, and what? There's your girl right there. So make sure you tune in, because we have our show coming up and I will be vlogging that whole day. Anyway, so you got your nice little TV here. You've got a safe coffee, and in here you have more storage space, which is cool. Got your refrigerator. Bam, right? Got your fridge. And then you have this lovely outdoor balcony. So let's open the door. You lift the handle up, and then you pull, and it's heavy. Now look, we ain't gonna be out here too long because it is cold, okay? Oh my God, that door is hard to open. Anyway, we're in the port of Galveston today. So this is our view from the balcony. And I recommend getting a balcony. Like, why would you come on a cruise and not get a balcony? So you got a little seating area. And this is a big balcony. Like, this is a lot of space out here. So this is the view from when you enter in the room from the balcony. I gotta close that door back. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, that door is heavy. Okay, so this is the view from when you come in from outside on the balcony. Hi guys, yeah. Okay, then over here, which you know I love, you got hella closet space. Actually, not hella closet space, a walk-in closet. There's your life jackets. I mean, guys, I'm in the closet. Keep it in the closet. But yeah, it's a walk-in closet. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, in case you feel like going into the closet and walking out, this is the view from the closet. And I don't know why I like this little table. I feel like you can just leave your, your vaccination bracelet, your room key, just stuff you need to grab on your way out. Like, I like this little table. Hey girl. So I know you want to see the bathroom. This is the bathroom. That's right, folks. We got a tub. We got a tub. So this is your bathtub and shower, all sparkly and clean. Got your towels up there. Got your toilet. Don't flush nothing down there now. It ain't supposed to be in there. I'm gonna tell you this time. Anyway, you got your mirror and your toilet paper and all that stuff. Got shampoo, moisturizer, and this is the view coming out of the bathroom. Right? Cute. This room is amazing. Well guys, that's the room. I hope you enjoyed this little quick video tour of the Adventure of the Seas Junior Suite. It's a beautiful room. I highly recommend it if you're coming on a cruise, just for the space, if not anything. Anyway, guys, make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Hey!
Lady thanks you for watching.